If you are facing issue on your iOS device where it shows no content available on photo widget, then this video is for you. Many users have reported seeing this message instead of the photos. So today on this video, we'll be guiding you on how to fix no content available on your photo widget. So let's start. To start, let's go to settings and scroll down and tap on apps. Now search for photos here. After this, scroll down and under the feature content, you'll see option show feature content. If this option is off, toggle it on. Now go back to your home. After you get to your home, you need to choose a photo from your album. As you can see, we just fixed the problem where the photo was not shown before, and now it's fixed. But if the issue persists, try restarting your phone once and do this step once again, and this might fix the issue for you. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.